212 Longbow, initiate and engage. Landmark Protect Protocol version 5.
Confirmed. Your air mission will start immediately.
Okay, 5, 5, 6, break. Push 20 meters.
I have 189 vehicles on the bridge. 480 civilians at this time. No malicious intent is detected.
Moonbeam copies all. Kill ROC. Proceed to waypoint. Uniform. Niner. Scope the tower.
South Tower, showing minimal structural deflection. Traffic density is within predicted parameters.
Copy 212. Pull out. Push southwest to vector 18. 3535. Come back. 1 kilometer east. Go. Lurker pattern. K5.
Okay, Ethan. I'll get there as fast as I can. Am I weapons free?
That's a negative. 212. You're in residential airspace. Lock it up. Your waypoint is Charlie. Your line is good. Run and duck. Radar sweep.
It is my opinion that this landmark is and will be secure for an extended duration. Moving to waypoint 5.
Copy that.
I can see many urban dwellings. Would you like me to investigate any of them further?
That's a negative. Watch and wait. In effect. Hold tight and maintain lurker pattern. Next again. 2200.
Okay, Ethan.
212. Check in. Interrogative. C tower. Zone status. Over.
This area remains minimally populated. 13-foot mobiles within 100 meters of the tower.
Vehicular traffic.
The last vehicle departed 35 minutes ago and was carrying 3 passengers.
Moonbeam copies all. Drop to 5 meters. Neighborhood watch. Initiate.
Too low.
212. I lost the comm. Run it back.
Based on average stress levels in the area, criminal activity is likely within the next 15 minutes.
212. We need you to pull back. Weather track and seek mission is a go at priority alpha.
That's a negative. I need to stay and patrol this area.
212. Override. Jump to 500 meters and push west. Track and seek on the coast.
I'm sorry, Ethan. I cannot leave this area until the threat is neutralized. Master,
Break. 212. Reset. You are not... 6-5. We lost another one. 212. Sector A2 is down. Civilian takedown. Yep. Yeah. It's the third one. Okay.